Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Lull Original Premium Mattress. It's been making waves in the sleep industry, and we're here to find out if it lives up to the hype. The Lull Original Premium is an all-foam mattress that promises a premium sleeping experience. It comes neatly packaged in a box and expands to its full size within a few hours. This mattress stands at 12 inches tall and is crafted with quality in mind. It features a supportive base layer of dense polyurethane foam, followed by a transition layer for added resilience. The main comfort layer is gel-infused memory foam, designed to offer breathability and comfort throughout the night. On top, there's a quilted cover that enhances the luxurious feel of the mattress. In terms of feel, the Lull Original Premium provides a neutral foam experience. It's not too soft or too firm, falling somewhere between medium and medium firm. This makes it ideal for back and stomach sleepers who prefer a bit more support. If you're a side sleeper, you might find it slightly firmer than optimal for pressure relief. But overall, it strikes a good balance between comfort and support. The mattress excels in motion isolation, making it a great choice for couples. It minimizes disturbance from partner movements during the night. Edge support is decent for an all-foam mattress. While it lacks reinforced edges, it prevents a rolling-off sensation and provides adequate support across the mattress surface. Like most boxed mattresses, the Lull Original Premium may have a slight odor upon unboxing, but this dissipates after a few days. It's designed to be durable, especially for average-sized individuals. For heavier individuals, a hybrid mattress with coils might be more suitable for long-term support. This mattress is best suited for back and stomach sleepers who prefer a slightly firmer feel. It offers ample support without compromising on comfort. If you're looking for a quality all-foam mattress with a neutral feel and good motion isolation, the Lull Original Premium is worth considering. To wrap it up, the Lull Original Premium impresses with its premium build. Neutral foam feel, and solid performance across various sleeping positions. Whether you're upgrading from your current mattress or diving into the world of boxed mattresses for the first time, this could be the mattress you've been searching for. Thanks for tuning in to this review of the Lull Original Premium Mattress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more in-depth product critiques. Until next time, sleep well and stay tuned for more from Product Critique.